Hi everyone, welcome back. I am so happy that you are here. Today I am here to give you an update of the cauliflowers growing on my terrace. See, on 1st September I sowed the seeds and then I uploaded 1 or 2 videos about these cauliflowers when I shifted the saplings from the small pots to these big pots. And today I am here to show you these cauliflowers which are growing marvelously on my terrace. I hope you can see these small cauliflowers and they will grow big. Some of these are small also, and it is very good like this because it's not that we'll be able to eat these cauliflowers in one day. So some are small and some are big. Some are very, very small, still trying to come out. These. I hope you can see. So see, these cauliflowers are here. And these are in this big pot which I told you that this is in one of the drums which is cut in half. And here also there are 6 cauliflowers in the pots, 1 in each pot, and out of these only 1 has grown big. I hope you can see, and very soon cauliflowers will come out from these pots also. And here again there are 7 pots where I had shifted the saplings of cauliflowers, and I have told you also in one of my previous videos. And here also I can see that cauliflowers have not come out, still I can see leaves, but these plants are very healthy and I am very much sure that cauliflowers will come out from here. And see, these are almost ready. And here in this small pot I again sowed the seeds of cauliflower around 15 days back, and now they are ready to be shifted to big pots. Some of these are ready to be shifted and I can see that some of these are very small. So I'll just see which of these are ready to be shifted. I'll shift those to the bigger pots, and remaining small ones will be here for some more days, which I'll shift to the bigger pots afterwards. So in this way I'll be able to get cauliflower, all through the winters. Because when I'll be able to harvest the bigger ones, they will also be on the halfway. And these cauliflowers will be totally organic, without infested with any chemical, pesticide or fertilizer, totally organic and natural. So if you have some space in your place to grow vegetables organically, I would suggest that you start growing these, because taste of organic vegetables is marvelous, and when you are eating these, you are very much sure that you are eating organic vegetables grown on your terrace. So that's all for today, friends. See you soon. Till then, take care of yourselves.